Hello everybody, it's Flatbread Friday, and today we're going to have a real clean out the refrigerator flatbread. And I have a artisan flatbread pizza crust from Misfits Market. I was at the local deli the other day and they had a prosciutto end that they couldn't slice anymore, so I bought it. And some other ingredients from my refrigerator that we will expose as we go. And so today we're going to make a crispy prosciutto flatbread. And let's do it. Here is our prosciutto. I diced it up and it's not very fatty. And so we're gonna spray this pan with a little bit of non-stick cooking spray, and there will be some fat is exuded, but we want to keep it from sticking first and foremost. So here we go. Very often, as you may or may not know, a prosciutto pizza is paired with figs or fig spread. And I have some fig spread, but I also had this little tiny bit of hot pepper jelly. And we're gonna smash that together with some roasted garlic cloves and make the base for our flatbread. We've combined our jelly with our garlic, and now we're gonna use a fork. We're gonna smash it up. Here is our pizza base. And the reason I chose the hot pepper jelly over the fig spread is because I had the last vestiges of peppers from my garden that needed to be used for something. So these are spicy. This is sweet and spicy. The prosciutto is salty, and our prosciutto is crisping up nicely, but we got a ways to go yet. Our prosciutto is nicely browned and crispy, and now it's time to build our flatbread. Our crust is laid out. Our oven is preheating to 425 degrees. Here comes our garlicky, sweet, and spicy base for our pizza. Look, it's spread all over this thing. Our base is on, and we're gonna sprinkle this with some mozzarella cheese. I bought the finely shredded kind this time. Next, on goes our prosciutto pieces. Next on will be some slices of red onion. You can not use onion if you don't like it, but I love me some onions, so I love to put onion on all my kinds of pizzas. So that's on, followed by these spicy and colorful peppers. So far we have salty, sweet, spicy, cheesy, and the last thing we're gonna do is, the last pizza I made had some herb ricotta, and it is still in the refrigerator, or was, and is still good. So this is gonna add some creaminess to our flatbread. We're gonna just dollop it on all the way around. This medley of tastes and textures is about to go into the oven, 425 for about 20 minutes, and let's check it out when it comes out. Our crispy prosciutto flatbread is out of the oven. Colorful, tangy, crispy, creamy, all kinds of descriptions for this guy. And now we're gonna slice it and serve it. Thank you for joining me on another Flatbread Friday. And this is our pizza that we made today, our flatbread. It's crispy prosciutto with spicy peppers, sweet and spicy jelly, creamy ricotta, and it's gonna be a delicious snack. I've decided to make an appetizer out of it. And thank you for joining me for Flatbread Friday. We'll see you again soon.